Enabling two-factor authentication on your Deezer account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Deezer account. Visit the Deezer website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on it to access security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the setting to enable it and follow any prompts to set it up, which may include entering your phone number. Step 5. Confirm setup. After enabling two-factor authentication, you may receive a verification code via SMS or an authentication app. Enter this code to confirm that the setup is complete. Now your Deezer account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Enjoy your music with peace of mind.